Okay, so now white box testing and black box testing. So black box testing is like we concentrate only on the output. Okay, so feature and output. So we don't like consider on what is happening inside the code. We just need like say I give 3 plus 3 is 6. That's it. I want 6. Whatever can you can put it as 2 plus 3 or 4 plus 2 or sorry 2 plus 4 or 4 plus 2, or you can put like 4 by 2 plus 4, anything you can, the logic can be anything, but ultimately I want the result to be 6. Okay. Okay, that is called as black box testing. That is what we testers perform. But white box testing is something like the developers do. Okay, they also do a very minimal kind of testing, but it is nothing related to functionality. It is like they will check if their code is running fine, if there if anything that is and the code is delivering the output. So these kind of testings the developer do, and that is called as white box testing. So now from here, from CRS, I get my SRS. From SRS, I get my higher HLD and LLD, and I go to coding and development. In the same way, all the documentation procedures, okay, these things, right? Creating test plan, test case for system and acceptance and integration and functional. These are all the documentation process of a testing team, which will be taken care parallelly. Now what happens is, once the white box testing is done by the developer for their coding, they will be sending the application for testing. So here we'll be like, they'll be sending the application, and here in our functional testing we'll be performing testing for each and every module, and if we have any issues we'll be again sending back to the development, and they'll be fixing it and sending it back to us. We'll be doing all the QA activities here, and once we ensure the functional testing went well, we'll be starting with the integration testing. Okay, integration testing is also like simple example is, we have a database and we have a front end of, we have an application. So this is an integration. So I need what to say, student detail whose name start with SA. So when I put it on my application, it should pull it from the database. So this is the integration. So these type of testing will also be performed by us. So this will be handled in the integration testing. So once the functional testing is done, good. Now we'll move on to the integration testing. And next comes the system testing. So now per module, everything is fine. And my integration also I have done. So integration also, it is like each and every team will be taking care of each and every integration, not that everyone will be doing everything. Okay, now what happens is, now we'll be moving on to the system testing. System testing, the whole application will be put into testing. Here and all we were doing it by module. Here the complete system will be tested. So once this is done, we'll be moving on to the acceptance testing phase. And here the what I say, the users, few users will also be involved with our team to take care of this acceptance testing. So after that is done, we'll be delivering the product. Okay, so here this test plan and test case, here this test plan test case will be utilized while performing testing at each level. Okay, so this is all about your what to say, V model. So do you have any questions here?
Ma'am?
Oh, ma'am.
No, right?
Ma'am,
Someone
this
is,
is Ashwini.
yeah.
Ma'am, theory part is okay, ma'am. When it
Okay.
comes to work environment, how we gonna use these techniques? Any example for real-time example, or any example for project? How we gonna use these techniques?
Yeah, it is like, yeah, as I said, this can be used across what to say, the application. Someone is asking for sparse code. Can you share it? Or I think everyone is in, right? On WhatsApp, someone is asking for passcode. Didn't I share the passcode for that? Spurti, I see Spurti. Okay. It's asking for passcode, and Veena is also asking for passcode. Can anyone share them? Yeah. So it is like, yeah, Ashwini, it is like for projects also, say what to say. I'm just thinking on how to like, see now I'm going to, wait, I'll open my notepad for that.
And then any example for test plan, test cases?
Yeah, that is a very huge
How to
topic.
write test plan?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
ma'am.
really a very huge topic. And there are lots and lots of phases for that. Okay, so I'll explain you in detail.
Okay, ma'am.
So say I have a project, okay, project to develop any application. Okay, say a shopping app, okay, shopping website, okay. So now here I'll get the CRS like what is it like, what user should search for product, okay, and list for search of product, and then once user picks the product, purchase, sorry, amount for each product should be displayed to user for what he picks, and purchase cart and payment, okay. These are going to be my modules. I'm putting it in a very simple way. So this is the CRS that is provided, okay. Now what comes is SRS. This will be in a very detailed way. So how it comes is, now so for this search for product, the document will have how he is going to search, okay, how the search will be performed, what features will be included in the search. Okay, search is not just a search button and a click. We have advanced search, we have filters, and we have lots and lots of things. So what are the features which is going to be done? So here, when you compare, so when this SRS is developed here, what happens is, as a QA person, I'll be writing test plan. What test plan? UAT test plan. Okay, acceptance test plan for each feature, how it should work. Okay, test plan and how this will be tested, and how it should perform will be what to say, will be documented over here by the tester. Now what will happen is, once the SRS is fine, it comes to the developer again, and he will design the HLD. HLD means, see now search product. I'll be giving a very simple page. Here I should have a search. Here I should have these things. That's it. And an architecture, a very high level architecture of this complete CRS will be provided here. Okay, for search product, from search product to purchase cart, how it should go, from purchase cart to payment, how it should go, then this payment and amount, how it should be interacting, everything in a very high level, it will be defined here. So now here the system testing is, it should cover each and every what to say, every high level design specification in your test plan and your test cases. Now low level design is, now they'll split up the search for product itself into multiple architectures. Okay, here for search for product, you'll be having multiple databases and multiple what to say, backend involved in it. So how this connection is going to be established, and how this from where if I search for product A, so from where it will be picking it from me. So all these details will be in a low level design architecture document. Okay, so design is not the web page design. Okay, this is a complete architecture. Architecture is each and every module, how it will work and how it will interact as an architecture. Okay, so this one again, what you say will be, now you have multiple databases, backends, and all sorts of things. Now we have to ensure to write test plan and test cases to ensure all these in the low level design is covered over here. Now now coding takes place and white box testing people will do, and now again all the testing, functional testing part will go on. Is it clear, Ashwini or anyone else?
Okay.
Fine. If you have anything, you can.
Yes, I want to know how to write test plan, test cases. Later on, you're gonna
Yeah,
teach
yeah,
or
yeah.
okay.
Obviously, it's a part of your what to say, your
Okay, okay,
sessions. So obviously, I'll be taking care of those. Okay.
okay.
So now we'll close with this alone. Okay. Tomorrow I'll handle Agile. So the advantages and disadvantage. Yeah, advantages, it is a systematic model. So here we can avoid more bugs, because for each and every phase we'll be sitting and writing the document and we'll be reviewing it over there. We'll be getting the feedback and we'll be doing all sorts of things. Okay. So avoid more bugs. So we can avoid more bugs. Defect downflow means from one phase to next phase, there are chances of defect to be missed and to be downflowed. So these kind of things can be avoided over here for the same reason. Okay, so but disadvantages, the biggest disadvantage, you would have seen, we do not have any risk analysis in this V model. Okay, that is the biggest disadvantage over here. And each and every time, yeah, if we get any new requirement, the documents, the design documents and all the documents, test plan, test case, everything needs to be updated. And this is obviously, as we have so many what to say, steps to be done, this is not suitable for a very big project. Big projects fine, not very, if it's a long term very big projects, obviously this is going to be a toughest one. Okay, fine, everyone. So tomorrow I will take you through Agile. So that is an interesting topic. There are a lot of things to be to know in Agile methodology. So and after that, from Monday we'll go through testing concepts, and as Ashwini you asked, we'll also go through the documentation parts also. Okay, the test case, test plan, test script, everything.
Okay.
I'll also take you through. This is software development life cycle. We have a separate life cycle for testing that is called software testing life cycle, STLC. That has also got lots of stages like this, and all the documentations comes into picture in those stages. So I'll take care of those after SDLC, and we'll go one by one. Okay. Any questions,
Yes,
anyone? Hope everyone is fine, right? Anything you can just ping me. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay,
See you tomorrow then. Bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah. Who's this?
Yeah, this is Purti.
Yeah.
This is my first class. Can I get the recorded things of previous classes?
Yeah, sure. I'll share you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So, Spooty, what are you doing? What is your background
Ma'am,
actually?
yeah, I completed my B 2019 first year, and I have
Okay.
2 years experience of IT, but in separate domain SAP.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay. I'll see you all tomorrow then. Okay. Bye all. Good night.
Good night. Thank you, ma'am.
bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.